Welcome to the FinTickAI Daily Market Analysis for March 17, 2026. Today, the Nifty 50 closed at 23,581.15, signaling a relief rally. The Bank Nifty closed at 54,876.00 with a neutral institutional sentiment. Make sure you stick around until the very end, because we're breaking down the complete analysis and revealing the critical levels you absolutely need on your charts. The Nifty 50 experienced a moderate gain of 0.74% today, marking a relief rally. However, the broader trend remains bearish, firmly in a bear grip, trading below all key long-term moving averages. Looking at the Nifty 50 technical indicators, the momentum readings, including RSI and stochastic oscillator, show deeply oversold conditions. For trend and patterns, moving averages are bearish, with trading below 8 out of 8 SMAs. The bullish signals stem from deeply oversold RSI and stochastic readings, suggesting a potential technical bounce. Bearish signals dominate as the index trades significantly below its 200-day SMA, confirming structural weakness. A review of Nifty 50 moving averages shows a clear bearish sentiment. The last traded price is currently below all simple moving averages, from the 5-day up to the 200-day SMA, reinforcing the bearish long-term structural weakness. Key levels show immediate resistance at 23,622 and immediate support at 23,075. The probability matrix suggests a high likelihood of a sideways scenario at 45%, with a medium confidence level. The news impact is mixed, with some bullish and bearish elements. Want to stay ahead of the markets? Hit that subscribe button right now for your daily and weekly edge on Nifty, Bank Nifty, and in-depth sectoral analysis. The Bank Nifty closed up 0.85% today. Buying interest was found near recent swing lows, and momentum indicators are deeply oversold. Validation of a near-term bottom requires follow-through above the critical resistance of 55,000. In Bank Nifty, momentum indicators like RSI and stochastic oscillator are also flashing deeply oversold readings. Trend and patterns show persistent weakness, with the index trading below 6 out of 8 SMAs and a bearish oscillator bias. Bullish signals for Bank Nifty include an extreme oversold stochastic reading and defense of a critical pivot point support. However, broad-based weakness persists, trading below all major SMAs, confirming dominant overhead supply. The Bank Nifty moving averages show that the last traded price is below all simple moving averages, similar to the Nifty 50, indicating consistent bearish pressure across all timeframes, from 5-day to 200-day. Key levels show immediate resistance at 54,965 and support at 53,559. The probability matrix suggests a sideways to mildly bullish bias, with a 40% probability for sideways movement and 35% for bullish, maintaining medium confidence. Focusing on the top market movers, Eternal Limited led the gainers today, rising 5.7%. Tata Steel Limited, Mahindra & Mahindra, HDFC Life Insurance, and Bharat Electronics also finished strong with gains ranging from 2.3% to 4.5%. Here is a stylized view of the top 5 market gainers, including Eternal Limited and Tata Steel Limited, showing strong positive movements with increases in volume compared to their average, confirming buying interest in these sectors. Turning to the top 5 market losers, Wipro Limited fell 1.9%, breaking a key level at 195. Other significant losers include Cipla Limited, Infosys Limited, Tata Consumer Products, and ITC Limited, primarily impacting the IT and FMCG sectors. Finally, the 52-week low watch highlights widespread structural damage. Heavyweight cement, finance, and rating agencies are sliding toward their 52-week lows, with stocks like Crisil Limited trading just 0.89% away from a new low. Let's review the top 5 trending stocks. Tata Steel surged 4.5%, outperforming the broader market, while Mahindra & Mahindra rallied 3.1%. Wipro dropped 1.9% due to relentless supply. Crisil slipped to 4,009 rupees, placing it highly vulnerable to a breakdown, sitting precariously less than 1% away from a fresh 52-week low. Sun Pharma showed defensive resilience, closing positive at 1,794 rupees and 40 paise. Regarding major events, Middle East geopolitical tensions persist, keeping energy markets sensitive with Brent Crude above $100 per barrel. Asian markets closed mixed today as investors await global inflation data prints. Please remember that investments in the securities market are subject to market risks. Read all related documents carefully before investing. This is a probability-based analytical outlook for educational purposes only.